everyone, it's Katarina here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I have an exciting announcement to make. I've recently partnered with DYU E-Bike and they tell me that will send me a new e-bike, a C6 model. And as you may know, living in the Netherlands, having a bike is an absolute must, because this is the best way to get around and it's so convenient because I don't know, for everyday life. But with this e-bike I'm super excited because this will bring things to a whole new level, and I couldn't be more thrilled to incorporate this e-bike into my day-to-day crochet designer life, because yeah, I was using the bike quite a lot because every time I need to go around, I don't know, taking photos, finding a spot to quiet crochet, especially in the summer and when the weather is nicer. So I'm using the bike a lot, and I was using it since we moved to Netherlands, because before that I knew how to ride a bike, but I never had the proper I don't know, infrastructure to do that. So when we moved here we realized that a bike is a must, especially because I didn't have a driving license. I just took my driving license 1 year ago. So yeah, I was biking like since we moved here every single day. So I was dreaming as a kid for a bicycle, and now since we moved here we basically have some old bikes that are reconditioned by my husband. They were like either throw away about other people or give it away because they were broken and or something wasn't working. So my husband was fixing them, and then we were using them. So this is my dream as a kid come true, and now I feel like a kid in Christmas morning like a kid in a Christmas morning waiting for my new e-bike to come. So I never drove or ride a electric bike, so I'm pretty scared about it because I don't know about the speed, how it will be. So, and I'm kind of excited in the same time. So yeah, I can't wait for it to come. Now because the guys at DYU have plenty of models of e-bikes on their website, and they give me a few models to choose from, but most of them were really cool, meaning the foldable that you can transport and put them into your car trunk and go away. But I needed a city bike because even now, even if my daughter knows how to ride a bike, I'm constantly going with her, carrying her in the back when dropping her to school or on different activities. So I needed to choose the C6 model. And because I was searching about a model to look what is doing, how it's looking and so on, and apparently it has a frame of metal, which is not very convenient because this means that it won't be that lightweight, so it might be a bit heavy, but doesn't matter. And I don't know too much about the motor or the electric stuff. I'm not really an expert into this, but they're saying that the life on a battery is up to 50 kilometers riding on the full battery, and then to charge it back is taking about 6 to 8 hours to be fully charged. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I don't know, I was so excited about this video, about this bike, about everything, and I can wait for it to come. And it's cool because it has a basket, so I will have a place where to put my yarn when going around, because usually during the summer days, especially if my daughter is in vacation, I'm kind of going to the seaside or something, so I'm taking the bike, she's taking her stuff to play on the seaside, and I'm just having my projects to crochet on. So yeah, now let's wait for the package and I will share with you more. My new bicycle from DYU just came, and now let's unbox it and see what is in and how it looks like. Okay, I get it out of the box. I'll remove all the plastic and the foam, and I think I need to wait for my husband to help me out with it, because it doesn't look that complicated, but it's better to wait for a man hand over here. But I will show it to you right away after it's all assembled, and of course we need to ride it and see how it works. So as you saw, my bicycle arrived last evening. Now it's the second day. I couldn't wait for my husband to come and help me out with the assembling, because I find it really easy following the tutorial that DYU have on YouTube. They're having an assembling video, which is really handy because you have all the steps with every part of the assembling, how to do it, what to use, and so on. So it was pretty easy, but of course that before riding I need to have a checkup from my husband to make sure that I did everything properly. But I was really excited, so I couldn't wait. My husband was away with having dinner with some friends, like co-workers. So he came back really, not pretty late, but it was late in the evening, and he didn't have time to just do the stuff. But I did it before, so I was with my daughter. We were pretty excited, so I couldn't wait it. So now, after my husband's approval that is ready to ride on, I will go for a ride with a bike, and I can wait. And I will show it to you a few videos. I hope that the weather will be okay, because it's winter. It's not going to be warm or something like that, but at least to not to rain, or to be able to film as well and showing it to you how it's everything going. Okay, so I'm about to go and take a ride with the bike. I packed my tripod and I need this sweater because I'm trying to make some photos or videos with it, trying it on. So I'm pretty excited. It's really handy with this basket because I can carry my things over there. So see you later. Okay, so this was it with my new DYU C6 bike. I'm really happy with it. I don't have a comparison thing because I never had or tried a different e-bike, but for my purpose and for my day-to-day life, it's perfect. And I'm pretty still with a good physical condition, but when driving like 4 kilometers, like for tennis lessons or something, and I have my daughter in the back and also the rackets or something heavy, it's pretty difficult to climb on those bridges or hills that I need. And that was, I tried it on this week, going to the tennis lessons with the bike. And we got there in 15 minutes, which is the same time that I'm spending in the car going there. And it was okay, it was perfect. So for my day-to-day life is perfect. I needed a few days to get used to the electric thingy because I was pedaling, getting speed, and I was getting, oh my god, it's too fast. But now I adjusted my way of pedaling and I have a smooth riding and it's perfectly fine. So yeah, I'm pretty excited with it. Thank you so much to DYU for offering me this e-bike. It's really useful for me. It will be a game changer for my life, for my day-to-day life. And yeah, I cannot wait to explore more and for the weather to be better, to in the springtime to go with my crochet projects on the seaside, in the forest, find quiet places to crochet or knit. So yeah, it's really appreciated. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you will have a great time, and yeah, have a great week, have a great time, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.